Happy holidays, happy new year. It's Sid from Hunter and Chavy Investments. Wishing you a happy and prosperous new year. I wanted to go over 5 things that we could do to help us become more prosperous in the new year. And number 1 we're going to look at is high interest credit cards. It's one of the things. There's a lot of credit cards that's out there right now. City Blue is one of them that offers a 0% balance transfer, and then it goes to the normal APR after 15 months. So that's something to look after. So it doesn't have to be city cards. There's other cards that you can use, the ones that you already have that you have on hand. You can always give the card service people a call, see if they offer any 0% transfers to lower your interest rate, or even get you a no 0% interest rate for 15 to 18 months. So that's just one of them that I just mentioned, just because city cards just came recently in the mail. 2, you can start is a side hustle, either selling a digital product, something that you can offer that you have talent in, either item writing or introduction writing to any kind of paper. You can offer at Etsy, Upwork, Fiverr, different platforms out there you can offer as a side hustle. Food delivery, either through Uber Eats or DoorDash, any one of those will do, just to offer extra income as far as a side hustle. And then maybe you can even drive for Uber or even Lyft. The third way is do no questions savings. So if you haven't seen my other video, my goal is to save $10,000 for the end of the year. And it's just no questions. I'm putting 172. It doesn't have to be 172 for you, but for me, my goal is $10,000. So I'm gonna put $172 for the next 52 weeks to get the $10,000 goal. So that's no questions asked savings. So that's one of the steps you can do. So other cost savings you can do is pay your bills on time. Making sure everything's debited from your account rather than try and pay it every month. You take it right from straight from your account. Save the hassle of getting all those fees that gets taxed on because you're late on your bill. So that's another tip. That's number 4. And the last tip is number 5. It's about cost savings. So this channel, if you haven't heard already, this channel is about cost savings, doing stuff yourself, either through real estate, fixing yourself in your property, or fixing your own car, or redoing your finances. So this channel is all about cost savings in that matter, and also we look at finance. So cost savings is our last one. So I hope you enjoyed the new year, and I hope you subscribe, and then we'll keep on trucking to 300 subscribers. All right, thank you for the support. I'll see you in the next one.